Sonu bought a bicycle for rupees 3750 and spent rupees 250 on its repairs. He sold it for rupees 4400. Find his loss or profit percentage. So the total cost price for the bicycle will be the amount for which he bought the bicycle plus the amount he spent for repairs. So 3750 plus 250, it is 4000 rupees. And the selling price of the bicycle is 4400 rupees. Selling price is greater than cost price, hence he has gained profit. Now profit percentage equal to profit by cost price into 100. So here profit percentage is equal to profit is 4400 minus 4000, which is rupees 400. So you have 400 divided by cost price is 4000 into 100. So can cancel two zeros, 1 0 get cancelled, 4 ones are 4 tens are. So the profit percentage is 10%. Thank you.